Oh man, I don't know about this. But not late.
Hey Ricky, how you doing?
Yeah, aren't you my mentor?
Yeah, I am. How's the first day?
It's alright, I just want to make friends and, make good grades.
Well, you know what? With Brennan, you gotta put yourself out there. Try something new.
Whoa, what's going on in here?
This is the FJB History Club.
Oh, that's cool. What do you guys do here?
We're going on a film fest for the World War, and we're going to 2 museums.
Wow, film fest and 2 museums?
Yeah.
Bienvenue, c'est le cours de français.
Let's get set. What's up, guys? What do you do?
Oh, we're just playing with the Spheros.
Oh, what club?
This is physics club.
That rock.
Yeah, physics rock. You wanna try?
Sure. Is that Nick Harris? Wow, that kid's a legend. Marine scholar, prime minister, good grades. I wish I could be like him. Are you Nick Harris?
Yeah, but you're daydreaming.
Of course. Well, first day of high school. It's been okay, trying to make some friends, get good grades. Any advice?
Brennan's been a massive part of my success. The clubs, sport teams, student council. The teachers here really provide the opportunities to forge your own success in life. I would not be where I am without the help of Brennan.
Is cereal a soup? We, the government, do believe that cereal is in fact a soup.
Oh, is this debate club?
Yes, it is.
Oh, I want to
We're
join.
just here at Homework Club and we get to do homework, and then if you ever need help, there's teachers here to help you.
Sweet.
Hey everybody, can I help you out with anything?
Hey, it says GSA outside. What's that mean?
GSA is the Gay Straight Alliance. We support inclusivity and healthy and happy relationships.
And we're also a very welcoming group, and we raise money for local charities.
Guys, who's cooking?
We're cooking lemon orzo chicken soup today.
That sounds yummy. What's in it?
Carrots, Jazzy, celery, and lemon.
Sounds really yummy. That smells good. What are you guys doing?
Hey, Ricky, what's up? Come sit with us.
Very excited. Whoa, am I recording myself? Hey, what are you guys doing?
Right now we're just dissecting a frog. Check it out.
Oh, cool.
That's the stomach right there.
Finalizing the yearbook.
Is that grade 9?
Yes, it's a day for green nights. You have fun. Get to know each other. I probably did.
Probably did. Today was a great day at FJB, Brennan. I can't wait for tomorrow.